Did you know the mantis shrimp can throw a punch at the speed of a bullet? Its attack is so fast, it boils the water around it. Hold your breath. Some turtles breathe through their behinds. This allows them to stay underwater for longer durations without surfacing. The immortal jellyfish can revert to its juvenile form after reaching maturity, essentially starting its life cycle anew. It's the Benjamin Button of the sea. Ever heard of a spider that rains? In Australia, millions of tiny spiders can fly using webs to glide, literally descending like rain. The lyrebird is nature's ultimate copycat. It can mimic anything from chainsaws to camera shutters and even other animals.